Hello friends, welcome to Neon Forge. If you are having multiple YouTube channels or you are not able to list your YouTube channels under the featured YouTube channel tab, then this is a video you need to look into. Straight away, let's go into the business. Open your YouTube channel, and then when I go to the home page of my YouTube channel, what I have is only the uploads and then my YouTube channel trailer. I don't have any other channels listed here, but I have two channels. One is the Neon Forge, the other thing is Gaming Viral Vector. And I'll also show the channels tab how it is. So it says this channel does not feature any other channels, but I do have another channel which is not getting listed here. So the solution is simple. For that, you need to go to the customized channel. Once you open the customized channel, under the layout tab, you have a section called featured sections. You go to the add section and then click on the featured channels. Now I'll be prompted with another window where the section title is asked. So here I'll say our other channels. Then I have to search my other channel, which is Gaming Viral Vector. So I got it. I'll select on that and then say done. And then my other channel is getting listed here. I'll give a priority to this and then I'll publish it. I'll go to the channel and check what happened. Earlier nothing was there. Now the other channel is getting listed here. So this is how to bring your other channels listed in your home page. I'll go to the other channel, which is Gaming Viral Vector, and then see the channel page, nothing is there. So I'll go to the home page and then customize my channel, add a section, feature channel, our other channels. And here I'll search Neon Forge. I got it. So I'll select and then done. And I'll also say publish. I'll go to my channel and see what has happened. Same way, Neon Forge is appearing here. So I'm going back to my Neon Forge, refreshing, and I see the other channel which is getting listed here. So you can see here under the Gaming Viral Vector, I got the Neon Forge listed. If it is useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe our channel Neon Forge. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another exciting topic. Bye bye.